Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's complete walkthrough, I will show you exactly how to validate a digital signature in a PDF step by step. Whether you received a signed contract, invoice, or official document, verifying the signature ensures the file is authentic and hasn't been tampered with. This tutorial is beginner friendly and works in 2026 using the most reliable tools. Now, why validating a digital signature matters. Okay, before jumping into the steps, understand this. A valid digital signature confirms three things: the signer is genuine, B, the document has not been altered, C, that signature is trusted by certificate authority. If validation fails, the file may have been modified or the certificate may not be trusted. Right? Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to PDF filler, right, to verify an e-sign, right? Or you can use Adobe Acrobat Reader, right? This is the most accurate and widely accepted method, right? In my case, I'm gonna use PDF filler because it's free and fast, right? And I'm gonna choose, of course, this file that has signature, right? And I'm uploading this file. And you're gonna see right here, right, that I can start editing. Okay, and check the signature status bar. At the top, you will usually see one of these messages: signed and all signatures are valid, which is great. Signature validity is unknown, right? Or document has been altered. Green check mark usually means it's good, right? If you see a warning, don't panic. You'll be able to fix it, especially if you can see a sign here that tells you that, this file been altered with or whatever. Okay, so yeah. Now, to inspect deeper, click the signature panel, right? Usually at the top, and or click the signature field directly and select signature properties, right? Capture signature, or add a signature, or upload a signature, or draw a signature. Okay, now I'm gonna select a signature property. Let me find, yeah, capture signature, not this. Upload a signature, draw a signature. Yeah, I'm gonna show add a signature, upload an image of a signature, or you can go ahead and add your own signature here, right, as a separate file to authenticate if the signature is legit. Okay, so if you don't find signature property, right, you're gonna be able to upload the signature of on your own, right, a valid one, and compared with this signature. Okay, or you're gonna be able to capture a signature with the web camera, or add a signature via text, receive a link via text and draw your signature on a mobile device, or add a signature via QR code, add signature via email, notarize, right, a submitted document to notarize it online with a commission notary. Okay, so basically, yeah, that's it. Inside the signature properties general, you're gonna be able to check signer's name, signing time, certificate issuer, validation status. Okay, and you're gonna be able to show the signer's certificate for full details. What you want to see is certificate is trusted, document is not modified, the signature is valid. If you don't see any warning here, that means that you're probably, they're probably legit. Okay. Yeah, and basically, that's it. Common problems, right? That signature validity unknown. You can update trusted certificate, click validate signature, right, and add a certificate to trusted list. Meaning, you can go ahead, right, and upload again, right, here. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and upload a PDF, right? another or a different kind of PDF. Right, so let's say here, start editing. Right, I added picture before, so sorry for that, but add a PDF in both examples. And gonna be able to verify the signature validity. Right, so yeah, maybe a problem that the document has been altered, meaning the PDF was changed after signing. Important. This is serious. The signature is no longer trustworthy if you're notified by them. Okay. Also, the signer's identity unknown. Fix it by verifying the certificate. Update the PDF filler. Check certificate chain. Right. Another problem: signature panel missing. Go and find the navigation panes and then signatures. Inside, you're gonna be able to see the signature, basically the signature type, the signature, and how, yeah, basically you're gonna find the signature there. Always use Adobe Acrobat for legal files. Never trust a screenshot of a signature. Check signing time versus document timeline. Verify certificate issuer. Be cautious with emailed PDFs, and keep Acrobat updated in 2026. Okay. Before you trust any signed PDF, is there a green check mark? Is the certificate trusted? Has the document been modified, or does the signer match expectations, or does the signer, match expectations? If all are yes, you're good. Right? Validating digital signatures in PDFs is a critical skill in 2026, especially for contracts, invoices, and official paperwork. Right? Once you know where to click, the process takes less than a minute, but it protects you from serious risk. Or in my case, if you're using PDF filler, all you gotta do is just upload the PDF file, and then you're gonna be able to see that there is no notification, meaning that file is legit. So thank you for watching. Until next time, see you.